teachers, and I just like to share that I've recently passed my Google certification, level 2. Okay, it's actually a renewal, okay, because I passed my Google certification last 2021, so it's up for renewal. Since our Google certifications, those who have already taken it, no, it's actually good for 3 years, okay. So it has to be renewed every 3 years. Okay? So para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ito pong Google certification or Google Certified Educators examination, okay, ay given, no, to educators, okay, who would like to show mastery and of course na experience in using Google Workspace for education. Okay? Meron po yung iba't ibang, may dalawang levels po yan, okay, level 1 and level 2. And then, of course, no, itong level 1 and level 2 po natin, okay, will eventually, no, give you an opportunity to become a Google champion. Okay, so either as a trainer, innovator, or a coach. Okay, so tatlo po yan. Okay, at lahat po yan, I was able to pass also. No, I'm also a Google certified trainer, a Google certified innovator, and also a Google certified coach as well. Okay, so paano nga ba maipapasa, no, or how do you pass or increase your passing rate kay Google certification? Kasi ito po ay mga no, hindi rin kadalian na mga examinations. Medyo rigorous din ng konti itong mga examinations na to, no? Okay? So una-una, si Google Certified Educators Level 1 ay isa pong exam mo for beginners. Okay? So ito yung mga sa fundamentals po natin. Okay? While the Google Certified Educators Level 2 are for the advanced users ng ating Google Workspace for Education. Okay? Both of them are paid. Si Google Certified Educators Level 1 ay $10. Okay? Si Google Certified Educators Level 2 ay $25. Okay? Yan ang kailangan po natin ibayad. But again, that's worth it. No? Definitely, marami po kayo matututunan. And it can be used, no, to actually up yung mga credentials natin. Okay, so ito na po ang ating mga tips to pass your Google Certified Educators examination. So una-una is to pick a good date. Okay, so make sure po natin na we pick a good date, no? When you register for an examination, you have 8 days to use the examination. Okay, so pili po tayo ng magandang date, yung hindi tayo pagod, hindi tayo masyadong busy, so that we can actually allocate time, no, for taking the exam. Okay. Second is take time to review. Okay, kahit po mga advanced users na tayo ng Google Google Workspace for Education, sometimes may mga functionalities, features na minsan hindi natin masyadong nakikita or kaya nalalampasan natin, okay, so nakakalimutan natin gamitin. Okay, so review, okay, meron pong course kay Google kay Google Teacher Center, so punta lang po tayo kay Google Teacher Center. I'll be linking the link to Google Teacher Center sa ating description, so please check that out later on. You can take that course first. It will just roughly take you around maybe like mga 3 to 5 hours, okay, of review, okay, in one sitting, no? Pero kung gusto niyo po na pa konti-konti, pwede naman 1 hour a day, okay, para lang ma-refresh kayo sa paggamit ng mga ng Google Workspace for Education. So take time to review, okay? Number 3, check a downtime, no, at home, okay, to take the test, okay? Tingnan niyo po nung kailan wala nang masyadong tao sa bahay or kaya tulog na ang mga tao or walang masyadong gumagamit ng internet, no, para wala pong distractions. Okay? It would be nice na wala kayong distractions niyo during your test, okay? Para po sure kayo, no, that all your focus will be on the test. Kasi sabi ko nga, no, hindi rin po ganun kadali yung examination. Although I'm telling you, no, kung kayo po ay gumagamit ng Google Workspace at nakapag-review naman kayo kay Google Teacher Center, hindi po siya magiging problema. But still would be nice to have a conducive, okay, environment for taking the examination. Okay, pang-apat po, okay, do a tech check, no? Check po natin yung ating mga devices. You can use your desktop, your laptop for taking the examination. Wala po, no, sa cellphone. We can't take it there. Talaga pong recommended would be our desktop or laptop for taking the exams, okay? And then of course, check your Wi-Fi. Kaya sabi ko rin, no, sa number 3, check a downtime sa bahay para sure po kayo na kayo lang gumagamit ng internet. Okay? Also, of course, no, kasama na rin siguro sa pag-check natin ng ating tech, no, ay yung ating Wi-Fi, which check po natin kung may announcement ba ng downtime, kay repair sa ating Wi-Fi, among others. Para sure po tayo na may Wi-Fi tayo all throughout kasi may chance na mawala po ang ating exam kapag po tayo ay nawala ng Wi-Fi. Okay? Read each question properly. Some are really tricky. Pero kapag binasa po natin ng maayos, you'll actually be able to understand better kung ano po yung hinihingi. Watch out dun po sa mga questions that ask specific number of answers, okay? So, para po alam natin kung gaano kadami yung pipiliin po natin, okay? Number 6 is to always mark your questions, okay? That you are not sure, yung mga 50-50 questions for review at i-review po, no, sa dulo. Kasi you can review, no, yung mga questions na po yan sa dulo ng examination. You can always go back to it, okay? As long as you are within the 3-hour examination time. Okay? And of course, as I mentioned, no, max out po natin yung ating 3-hour examination time. Wala naman pong masama ano kung maubos natin yan. Hindi po yan race, okay? Hindi walang magmamadali. Hindi rin po kayo i-judge no kung 3 hours kayo nag-exam, no? Okay? So, max out natin kasi sayang, okay? Kasi pag nag-fail po tayo sa examination, you'll have to pay again to take the examination. Then you'll have to wait no a certain time for you to be able to retake the examination. Okay? And of course, yung last na natin, pagkatapos nyo po ng exam at nasubmit nyo na po yung examination, just wait for around 30 minutes or even less, no, to get your results. Okay, so yun lang po. And good luck po sa ating lahat ng mga teachers na magte-take ng Google Certified Educators Examination, Level 1 and Level 2. Abangan po natin kasi magkakaroon po tayo ng mga training for that, no? And even livreng vouchers. Okay, so salamat po and have a nice day, teachers.